Most people think saving money is nearly impossible right now. The cost of living keeps climbing, and it feels like your paycheck disappears the moment it hits your account. But here's the truth. Anyone can save $1,000 even on a tight income. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps that real people are using to hit that number faster than they thought possible. The first step isn't cutting back on coffee or skipping meals. The real first step is awareness. Until you know where your money is going, you can't control it. For the next 30 days, write down every single expense. That includes the $5 coffee, the $1.29 app charge, and the $40 takeout order. Most people are shocked when they do this. I know someone who tracked their spending for just 2 weeks and realized they'd spent over $120 on food delivery without even noticing. That kind of awareness is powerful. It shows you exactly where money is slipping away. To make tracking easier, use free tools like Mint, Rocket Money, or even just the Notes app on your phone. The point isn't to judge yourself, it's to shine a light on your habits. Once you see the patterns, you'll know exactly where to start saving. Next, fix the silent leaks. These are the expenses draining your account quietly every month. Think subscriptions, gym memberships you don't use, and services you forgot about. Cancel the ones you don't need and negotiate the ones you keep. This works better than most people expect. For example, I called my internet provider once and simply asked if there were discounts for loyal customers. In less than 10 minutes, they cut my bill by $30 a month. That's $360 a year saved with one phone call. Bills like phone, insurance, or streaming services often have hidden deals, but you'll only get them if you ask. Many people find an extra $50 to $100 a month this way, money that goes straight into savings. Now that you've freed up some cash, it's time to build momentum. Open a separate savings account just for this goal. Don't mix it with your regular checking. When money sits where you can't touch it, you're less likely to spend it. Set up an automatic transfer from every paycheck, even if it's only $25 or $50. Automation is powerful because it takes discipline out of the equation. If you get paid weekly and save $50, that's $2,600 saved in 1 week. Here's why this works. When money moves automatically, you never feel like you lost it. It's already saved before you even see it. That's how people with average income quietly build serious safety nets. Here's another trick that makes saving feel almost fun. Turn it into a challenge. For the next 30 days, try the no spend challenge on categories that trip you up, like eating out or online shopping. Every time you skip a purchase, transfer that money to your savings account immediately. One viewer once shared that she skipped buying clothes for just 1 month and ended up with $220 saved. She thought it would feel restrictive, but instead she said it felt like a game she was winning. Small challenges like this keep you motivated. If you want to speed things up, bring in a little extra income. This doesn't mean starting a second full-time job. Sell unused items around your house on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Drive for grocery or food delivery a couple nights a week. Offer your skills on Fiverr or Upwork. One guy I know sold his old video game console, a bike he never used, and a few pieces of furniture. In 2 weeks, he had $400 sitting in his savings account. It wasn't glamorous, but it was fast, and it built momentum. Even just $100 per week from a side hustle gets you to $1,000 in 10 weeks. That's less than 3 months. Imagine where you could be 3 months from today if you started now. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Before you spend money, ask yourself one simple question. Do I want this item more than I want $1,000 in my bank account? Most of the time, the answer is no. One man used this rule with his daily fast food habit. Instead of spending $12 a day, he started packing lunches. After 3 months, he had $900 saved, and he said the simple question was what kept him on track. Another powerful habit is to celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you hit the full $1,000. Celebrate when you reach $100, then $250, then $500. Each milestone keeps you motivated. Saving money is just like building muscle. It grows with consistency, not giant leaps. And here's something most people miss. Saving $1,000 isn't about sacrifice. It's about creating systems. Systems that run in the background so you don't have to think about them. Awareness, eliminating leaks, automation, small challenges, and small income boosts. When you stack these together, hitting your goal is inevitable. Let's recap quickly so you can start today. Step 1. Track your spending for 30 days. Step 2. Cancel or negotiate your silent leaks. Step 3. Open a separate savings account and automate transfers. Step 4. Try a no-spend challenge or side hustle for an extra push. And Step 5. Use the $1,000 mindset question before every purchase. By following this system, you'll save $1,000 faster than you thought possible. And once you do, you'll realize you can use the same framework to save $5,000, $10,000, or even more. It's about momentum. The first $1,000 is the hardest. After that, saving becomes second nature. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Money Made Simple. Every week, we break down financial basics in plain language so you can take control of your money. Your money doesn't have to be complicated. This is Your Money Explained.